Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So I'm now going to do a quick room tour where you can see is a river view facing river and is here in Azerai Resort. So let's have a quick look. So this is how it looks like from the balcony. Balcony is actually right in front. And doorbell, just ring it as usual and just scan your card and you're good to go. The first view would be the part, balcony, where you can enjoy the river view. And this would be our bed. Check out the ceiling. Minimalist design, which is cool. And it smells good too. And we have some fresh flowers. And the mini fridge is inside here. Do we have anything here? Yes. The utensils. And also coffee machine. What about here? Oh, there's kettle and wine glass as well. And what do we have? Tea. There's 4 different types of tea. Coffee capsule. Some tidbits. And this is the door connected to another room. And here is the open concept toilet. Bathroom and shower and towel time. I guess they do have the bathrobe. Here you go, yes. And the safety box right inside here. Alright, let's check out the toilet here. Quick one. Yes, here's one of the toilet. And the other one should be the shower room. Yeah. And here's the amenities by Ələmis. And we have water here. Hair dryer and toothbrush and all the stuff. Okay, this one is empty. So what I would like to show you, the final thing I would like to show is this part where I can just control the blind using this. 1, 2, 3, all come down together. So in total they have 4 layers. So I can just stop and I can just adjust a different layer to come down. This one is to give you more privacy but you still can enjoy the view. And then the other one would be to totally black out the right side. So yes, that's all. So that's all for my room tour, and we are going to have a quick rest for maybe about 1 hour, and then we are going to do a tour around the Azerai Resort here. So yes, resting some time and have a quick refresh up, and I shall see you soon. So that's all for the room, and see you soon when I will share you more on what are things to do in here in Can Tho.